Hey guys, today we'll be doing a review on these two TempStar air conditioners. So here it is. There's this one right over here, and there's one right here. Now the reason why there's two of them is because there's one going through the upstairs and the downstairs, and and one room in the upstairs is using a different air conditioner instead of the heat pumps or the HVAC units. So these two right there are HVAC units. So this one right here uses gas for the heat. Right now it's using the cooling. So and let's go ahead and put my camera right here. Right here's the label. So that's the label. Here's a close-up to it, I think. Here's a close-up of the label. Here's the model. Very long model number. So that is the label. Right here's the caution label right there. It's kind of worn out due to weather, and it's very unreadable because it's kind of worn out. Some of the words are not readable here. So right here's another caution sign right there that says hot surface. And right over here is the TempStar logo right there. So here's the logo. And these two right there run smooth. So this one right there runs smooth, and that one runs smooth. So both air conditioners run very smooth. So and right here is the here's a warning label right here. So that's the warning label. And there are some labels right here. And go over here. Right here is the upstairs air conditioner. Right here's the TempStar logo. And right here's the label for it. And right over here, is the caution sign right here. And right there is right here is the pipes for it. And what that is it runs through the house, so it can get air conditioning into the house, heating and cooling. And right there on the back of the air conditioner or HVAC unit is the ductwork. Now what that thing right there is, it brings the air to the house. So yeah. And I have no idea what those pipes right there are for. I would say that could be the gas line for the heating. And yeah, they run very smooth, I think. The motors on these things run smooth. So yeah. And this is a review on these two TempStar air conditioners. And that's it.